Hi everyone, and welcome to A Life of Balance. Today we're going to be making some pie plates to be given away as gifts to loved ones that are personalized for them to use when they go to things like pitch-ins, etc. So they make sure they get their pie plate back. So what we've done already is, first of all, welcome Katie. She's here with me today.
Hi.
That was her saying sort of hi. Hopefully it picked it up.
Hello.
Okay, so we've already printed from the Cricut, and you can check the blog for instructions on how to do that. But the important thing is to make sure that you do it reversed, because this is a stencil. So you're going to want to make sure that you are putting the stuff in where you want the design to be. And so we're each right now weeding one. That's going to go. We're making actually two. We're making them for grandparents that we're going to give them filled with cookies, and then they can use them after that. It's going to be Christmas gifts for us this year. Okay, so now that we have them weeded, we're going to get us some transfer tape, and we're going to transfer them. Make sure that you don't weed out the little bits, like the middles of, in my case, the middle of a bee, etc. And make sure that you get those bits when you transfer it with the transfer tape. So I'm going to cut a piece of transfer tape, and we're going to put it on here. And just like when you do vinyl with anything, you're just going to put your transfer tape down. Get it on there with as few bubbles as possible. Use a, give it lots of pressure, burnish it on, and flip it over and pull off the back paper. And like I said, make sure, see, I almost lost a piece of an A there. Make sure that you're keeping all the little pieces down in there. You have to push them back down, push them back with your finger before you get the paper completely pulled off. Okay, and then flip it over, and we're going to take our pie plate, and we cleaned up the top of our pie plate with alcohol wipes and let it completely dry. And then we're just going to manually kind of center this here. And then we're going to just burnish it down. And the important thing is those inner edges where we're going to be putting the etching cream. So burnish it down really good. Remove our transfer tape. Again, make sure all your edges are staying down. And I'm going to go back through and make sure all my edges are down good. And look for bubbles that you can see. And it's okay as long as they're away from the letters and stuff that you're putting on, but make sure there's none up close that are going to cause problems. Ours has a little bit of lettering on the glass, and we start talking about that's going to make the biggest issue. So we're going to try our best to make this work right. That's luckily, that's all inside the mixer, so it's not as, it doesn't have to be as sharp as some of the other does. Okay, and then we're going to get ourselves a foam brush. Okay, so now we've got all of our edges done. We're going to use this Armour etch product to do the etching, and so you're going to put on a thick layer, and then we're going to let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and then wash it off. And it's very important. This is an acid, so it's very, very important that you wear gloves when you're applying this and while you're washing it off, so that you don't burn your skin. Okay, there we go. So now we're ready to sit and wait for 3 to 5 minutes and wash it off, and we'll come back and show you the results. Okay, so once you've rinsed them off, you're just going to take and peel your vinyl off. There we go, and I'm not sure we said it earlier, but you may want to make sure that you did reverse your image so that when you turn the pie plate over, your image shows through. And you can, so hope this was a nice tutorial. We enjoyed doing it and look forward to seeing you again soon. This is a great time to subscribe below or click the bell so that you make sure that you know when we have a new video.